the channel, this year we are going to get a lot more serious into the YouTube field. It's going to be a little bit of everything until I kind of find my niche. One of my niches for sure is going out into nature and just discovering, you know, beautiful places around the US. And today is a very big day because I got a drone. I've spent a lot of time the past few days getting rid of clutter, getting rid of stuff that I do not use. I got rid of a whole bunch of things as well. I even got rid of like all my makeup that is not part of my daily makeup routine. It's been very freeing to do that, and at first it's hard because you have some kind of attachment to these things, but in all reality it doesn't matter. So I want to maybe get some shots of the drone. Found a really good spot. Well, I did, without even having to fight for parking. But anytime you go somewhere that's like super beautiful, always follow your intuition and don't go where the public goes, go where the heart tells you to go. And I promise you, it's because you're going to experience something there that you wouldn't experience around the public. I wanted to find something really cool today, like on the beach. I wanted to find something exactly like this. I was walking out and I found this.